Everybody, and welcome back from spring break. Hopefully, you got some rest and are happy and healthy and ready to go and learn some more chemistry. Now, on Monday, I want to emphasize an opportunity in which you can review again for our gas laws test. So we're going to do a retest on Tuesday. And if you go to the review material, I reposted the videos I made on how to solve the gas law formulas. We only have two formulas, and you have the combined and the ideal. And the tricky part was when we had to implement some stoich. So if you go to the stoich YouTube video that I reposted, I want to emphasize something that I'm noticing right here. If you go down to the very bottom, it says 25 views. Now I have 46 students, and only about half of the kids actually watch the video. So it's 20% of your test. It's a large portion, so please know that stoich is not going away. We're going to be using for this next chapter as well. So please go back to the video. Now, in addition to that, I have a gas law simulation, and you need to be able to understand how pressure, volume, and temperature all affect each other, and what temperature really is in terms of average kinetic energy, and then how does gas particles, how do they change, how does their speed change based upon their mass. So those are some big key points in which you need to focus on. Now, lastly, for Monday, I know it's a lot, but it's all review. I have a review sheet, I have the review sheet key, I have stoich problems, and then the stoich problems key. So please make sure that you're doing the problems before you look at the key. Let's go back to the rest of the week. On Tuesday, you're going to retake the tests. Now, when you click on this link and you retake, please make sure that you are using Chrome and you're not using Safari and you're not using the Canvas app, because a lot of students emailed me saying that some of the pictures weren't popping up. Additionally, turn off any ad block extensions in your Chrome. It's the same thing, 20 questions, 40 minutes, 50% concepts, 50% math, and you're going to have different questions, hopefully, because it's a bank it's going to be pulling from. On Wednesday, we're going to start the next unit on thermochemistry, and I have a lesson, practice problems you're going to upload just as usual. Additionally, I have office hours Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, in addition to our once a week group sessions. So please take advantage of those. I will be available at my computer, sitting down from 3 to 3:30 p.m. All you have to do is just click on the link, and it may prompt you for some additional security authentication in terms of what you're normally used to doing at school. Thursday, we're going to be using our heat capacity formula and doing a little bit of plugging and chugging. On Friday, you are going to make hot ice at home, and all it is essentially is baking soda and vinegar, and you're going to boil the water out, because you're going to be trying to make sodium acetate, which is a compound that is liquid, and then when it finds a little nucleation site, it's going to crystallize, and it's the crystallization that occurs that makes the exothermic reaction. So it releases heat. So this is something that you can make at home. It's non-toxic, and it's actually pretty cool because you can it crystallizes very quickly. So hopefully you guys have fun making that on Friday. All it takes is a little bit of patience to make, time, and baking soda and vinegar. So please make sure, if you don't have those readily available, to pick those up. They're very inexpensive. And then lastly, we have Friday is additional office hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed your break and enjoy next week's lessons. I put a lot of time, sweat, and tears into making things easily digestible as well as engaging. So anywho, Cheers, everybody. See you soon.